get a check of the weather. As we've been warning you all week long, temperatures in the afternoon are going to be dangerous for some.
Yeah, like Dave Spar is saying, there's no really break coming over the next couple of days.
Yeah, hey, Dave.
James and Raina, good morning, everybody. And the picture that we have for you is much the same we had last about half hour or so, but this haze, hey, some of that is that marine layer, and that will take. It's provided some cooling effects around the immediate bay, and some of it's gotten inland a little bit as well. Now, our current temperatures show that most readings are in the 50s and the 60s, 75 Antioch, but excluding that, we got some 50s up north here. So this is a nice little relief this morning compared to what we've been seeing from yesterday morning, for example. Now, back to that marine layer, it does come back again. It looks like a little bit tonight and tomorrow morning, again, providing some overnight cooling a little bit here, but it looks a little bit more aggressive Sunday, indicating chipping away a little bit of this heat spike temporarily before another bounce by the middle of next week. Coupled with all of this, do have those winds that check in the afternoon and the evening hours. Again, doing their part, coming from the right direction, so we're not having any offshore wind issues. Ultimately, when this heat spike does break, it'll be a low we're looking in Southern California. I want to check out the wind, the moisture levels. Now, remember, when you have like triple digits going on, we don't always see that with an offshore wind, which really provides some dry air here. So this air looks like it's dry, but it's a little bit more moist than during a real offshore wind event that we have. Nice recovery overnight with that marine layer. That's always good to see. But again, in the afternoons, the relative numbers will drop. So the atmosphere has a lot of capacity to hold moisture when it gets really hot like that. Continued hot, 100 plus inland, 90s covering the bay this weekend. Saturday looks to be the big day of being very hot, 105 plus, particularly for Contra Costa County, Solano County, a little bit of Napa too. Warm at the coast with 70s. Then for next week, still hot, near about 100. Minor deviation on your Monday and Tuesday before we pop yet again on Wednesday. Back to today, 77 San Francisco. You have that breeze working. 85 for Oakland, 95 for San Jose. Triple digits you can see there off towards the East Bay.